The 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This is a pickup truck powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This 4-wheel drive pickup truck is well equipped. This Chevrolet features privacy glass, hill start assist, and 4-wheel drive. Safety features include dual front airbags and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power steering and multi-disc CD player. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Davidson Gebhardt Chevrolet and Subaru of Loveland are conveniently located right on I-25 and exit 259 in Loveland.